Hello everybody and welcome back to Airborne Zac, the aviation travel channel that I've just launched. But my secret sauce is my ability to tell aircraft types just by their sound of their engines. It's Monday, it's windy, it's busy, it's Heathrow, and on a Monday, you know that all the long haul overnighters come in quick and fast. So I'm looking forward to doing a few guesses. Will I beat my record? Will I do better? Can you do better? Can you do better? Let's see how we do. So I'm waiting for the next aircraft. It's pretty windy, so I apologize if there's any draft coming in the audio. Do me a favor, we're independent media. Please like this video if you like it, share the video, comment and subscribe. I need people to be sharing this, and I'm going to make you a promise. When we hit certain milestones in terms of subscribers, I'm going to give away a free gift to one lucky person every month. When we hit 100, 500, 1,000 and more. So hang on a second, something coming. It's heavy. A350. Get in there, get in there. First penalty to me, get in there, I got it. Yes, Virgin Atlantic A350, beautiful aircraft. I can't stop looking at that aircraft. It is so graceful, so majestic, so gentle. So yeah, 1-0, I got that first one. Yes. Anyway, as I was saying, we're independent media. I need support, I need subscribers, I need shares, I need likes, I need comments. Please take 10 seconds to do that. Click on the bell. It would really help me grow this channel. And I think we're going to go traveling, we're going to record trips, we're going to look at aircraft. But as I said, the secret sauce is going to be this aircraft whisperer can pick up aircraft sounds without seeing the aircraft type. Let's see what the next one's going to be. It's going to be busy this morning. I'd say 40 aircraft an hour is a flow rate. Good conditions, blue skies. Nothing can slow an aircraft down at the moment. No bad weather. So the traffic is quite noisy. I might move away from the traffic because it's kind of disrupting my ability to hear the aircraft. So I might move back a bit after the next one, because I don't want you thinking I'm turning around and cheating. Anyway, how's your day going? How's your day going? My day's going fantastic. I'm really enjoying this, you know that. I'm really enjoying this. I've been coming here to this field since childhood, and I planted 2 trees here. That's going to be an Airbus, guaranteed Airbus A320, guaranteed. More than likely a European airline. Get in there, get in there. That's 2-0 to Zac, Airborne Zac. Didn't I tell you? I'm going to move away from the traffic a bit because it's really noisy there, and it's kind of disrupting my my ability to study the acoustics of what's going on. Okay, that's 2-0. That's 2-0. We're going to take it up to 10, I think, because I've got an appointment later on at 11, so I need to get back and shower and stuff. But 2-0. The crowd is cheering. The home fans are cheering. So, yeah, I'm really enjoying this, you know that. So, yeah, I planted 2 trees that are behind me when I was about 8 years old. This has always been my safe space. See, we are by runway 27 left, which is a westerly runway. 777. No! I don't believe it. How did I get that wrong? That's an Airbus A320. It's 2-1. It's 2-1. The opposition just scored. Ah, jeez. Now I know how those footballers feel. Anyway, yeah, it's a lovely day. We're by 27 left, and I don't know if you know about runway headings. 27 refers to 270. If you look at a compass, 270 is west. So if you keep going straight after you take off from that runway, you end up over Ireland and then eventually the US. The opposite of that is the other way, depending on the wind, and that's 090, which is an easterly runway. So if you're going to the Middle East or the Far East, you would be going straight from there. And obviously if you're using those runways but you're going in a different direction, after you take off, ATC will tell you to turn to get to the correct direction. I can't believe I didn't get that Airbus. That's okay. What's this? Something small. It's a prop. It's a propeller. Get in there. I'm going to take that. I'm going to claim that. It's Logan Air. I don't actually know what that aircraft type is. If you know what that aircraft type is, can you do me a favour? Put it in the comments. It's a Logan Air prop, but I don't actually know what aircraft that is. So I would love to know. If you know, could you check it out and put it in the comments for me? Because that's one that I wouldn't have guessed for £1 million. So, but I knew it was a prop. So I'm going to take that. It's 3-1. 3-1. Let's just say that penalty hit the post and went in. 3-1. So that's 4 attempts. I lost 1. I got 3. What's next? What's next? I don't have those same powers, you know, when aircraft are taking off, because inevitably they're all at full throttle or thereabouts. 1 second. This is bigger. No, A320, A320. Get in there. 4-1, 4-1. I actually think that's an A319, but it's the same thing. The Airbus 19s, 18s, 20s are the same family, so they all count. So 4-1, 4-1. I tell you, this boy can cook. Yeah, as I was saying, I can't tell on takeoff, except really, I can tell a BA 380 by the Rolls-Royce engines. I have difficulty telling an Emirates or an Etihad because they've got different engine types, I think. I'm not sure what their engines are. If you know what their engines are, put a note in the comments. But I can tell a 380 from BA, the Rolls-Royce. And I can tell the difference between a BA 777, because some of them have got GE 90s, General Electric 90s, and 1 second. 320 again, 320. Eurowings, it's actually a 319, but again, same engines, same family. So that's 5-1 now, 5-1. We're doing well. We're doing well. We're getting ahead of the opposition. But yeah, BA 777s have either Rolls-Royce or GE 90s. The Rolls-Royce engines have a much, how do I say it, louder grind when they take off, whereas the GE 90s have a different sound. I prefer the GE 90s, to be honest. They're much more, they sound almost like a dolphin when they're landing. They make these weird noises. Anyway, I think we'll just do one more. Unless I lose. If I win, we'll cap it at 6-1. We'll cap it at 6-1. Can you do better than me? That's the question. Can you do better than me? That's the challenge. Again, like, subscribe, share. This is heavy. No. 777. And that, ladies and gentlemen, 6-1. I rest my case. Listen. If you think you can do better, take the challenge. Take the challenge. I'm gonna head back. But yeah, that was good. 6-1. Much better than last time. Much better than last time. And again, thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, share, comment. We are independent media. And I look forward to seeing you again soon. Have a happy Monday, a lovely Monday. Thank you for watching. I'll see you.